In 2016, the Ethical Supply Chain Program introduced a visionary initiative that began as a small-scale pilot in 2 factories in China. This groundbreaking program was born from our understanding that the leading reason workers left their factory jobs was because of the lack of affordable, safe and accessible childcare. Introducing the Family-Friendly Spaces Program, an initiative providing childcare facilities for working parents, not only in China but now expanding to Vietnam, Mexico and beyond. To date, we've supported over 5,500 children, and our vision is to reach 30,000 by the end of 2025. The Family-Friendly Spaces Program operates during school summer holidays, providing fun, educational and safe spaces for children to play and learn while their parents are at work. The best part? The program is funded through the generous support of buyers and the customers of participating factories. This means that the factory is supported to establish the space in year 1 and given all the expert support required to ensure its success. After this initial year, all participating factories have continued to fund these spaces year after year. The reason they do this is simple. The program delivers business benefits to them as well as their workers and their customers. Business benefits include reduced turnover rates and improved worker satisfaction. The program successfully supports resilience in the supply chain and reduces the risk of supply disruption. The impact on workers is clear. Before joining the Family-Friendly Spaces program, they worried about their children during the summer months, affecting their concentration and efficiency, leading many to leave their work. But when their employer responded by providing quality childcare, workers felt cared for by their management. Trust between workers and management increased by 200%, and the retention rate soared from 45 to 100%. This program is about creating a better, more equal world. The lack of affordable, safe and accessible childcare is the #1 reason production workers leave their jobs. The program improves worker satisfaction and enhances gender equality, reducing training costs for factory management and owners. Put simply, the program is good for business and good for people. Because of this, it is sustainable and scalable. Contact us to get involved, be a part of the impact and support the program. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of workers and their children.